For practical demonstrations, I will use Chroma Vector Database. So here you see there will be a user who can create many databases. Let's say database 1, database 2. Within the database, collections are created. For example, collection here, collection 2, collection 3 and so on. Similarly, here also collections can be created. Collection 1, collection 2 and so on. These collections you can consider it like tables. Like within a database you have table 1, table 2, table 3, but here we create the collection. And within collections you store the documents like document 1, document 2 and document 3 and so on. So every collection may have multiple documents. So what this document will have? Document will have two things. One is embedding and another one is metadata. This will also be having the embedding and metadata. So embedding, you already aware what is metadata, that I will also explain you. So this is the overall architecture where one user can create multiple databases, and within a single database you may have multiple collections. Collections you can relate it like a table, and within the collection you actually store your documents, and the documents will actually have embedding and metadata.